Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful wall decor with very simple and ordinary things that are around the house, like cardboard paper, tack papers, and paint and frames. The first step to make this beautiful art is to take a cardboard paper and cut it according to the shape of the leaf you want. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and share and comment. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you wanted to see more of these kind of DIY and decor videos. These frames are from Dollar Tree, but you can choose any frame from any other store, or just use any frame that is laying around the house and you do not need it anymore. Just remove the cover, the back cover and the glass from it, and use it as a DIY piece. The second, or I will go with the third part of this decor, is paint. Choose the paint very carefully. Basically, I will choose gold as I want to give it a glam look, but you can use white, black, or any other color that will go according to the decor of your house. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share your ideas, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.